My dad said words to me I will never forget, ما دمت حيا, as long as I live. I remember one time I had a friend, and this was when I lived in Birmingham. I had a friend, a young brother. We went together, Salah time came in, and I said to him, Akhi, let's pray in the masjid. So the brother said to me, oh, I don't pray in the masjid, I don't pray. But he's my friend. So what happened was, he stood outside the masjid and I ended up going to the masjid and praying. My father came to the masjid. When my dad came to the masjid, he saw this young Somali boy standing outside. As an uncle, when he saw him, he said, Other uncle, what are you doing? The boy said, yeah, I don't pray. I'm not in a state of tahara. My father said to him, come in the masjid and pray. He said, I'm not in a state of tahara. My father's character is that he doesn't force and impose things, so he just went into the masjid and he prayed. I prayed the salah. I didn't see my dad in the masjid. I prayed and I came out of the masjid, and then my friend and I went together. I went home. When I came home, who came home again? My dad. My dad came home. When my dad came home, he saw the brother who he saw at the masjid. He saw him what? In front of the house. So my dad said, okay, who are you? So he told him, my name is... Who are you friends with? And he said, I'm friends with Abdurrahman. So my dad, I came into the house and he said to me, why are you friends with somebody who's not praying salah? I said, Dad, I prayed in the masjid. I prayed the salah. I won't miss the salah. My dad said words to me I will never forget, ما دمت حيا, as long as I live. He looked at me and he said, it's a matter of days when he drags you to his side. Ayyam. He will take you away from that and you will follow his path. Are we all together? I couldn't understand. I was like, Dad, when he's pulling me, why don't I pull him? He said to me, two things work against you. النفس الأمارة بالسوء. The nafs that calls you to the evil, that's one. And shaitan, he's got those two hands over you. Are we all together? So you have to fight with your nafs. And you also have to fight with what? A shaitan. And so you're going to end up being easily dragged, and that you can drag him.